Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Are you ready for some deliveries?
Yes, I love deliveries.
Here is the list for today. You will be delivering cones, a pump and bibs to the GAA All-Star Centre. And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you. Henry and Vicky are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Great, let's go. Come on, Ozzy, let's go. Where are they, Ozzy? Stop! Hello? Do I know you?
No, I wouldn't think so. Name and purpose of visit, please.
I'm Joe, and this.
Ah, you must be Ozzy, the famous Ozzy from Dizzy Deliveries.
Do I know you?
As I mentioned, no, I don't think so. Anyway, have a wonderful day, Ozzy, and your friend Joe, is it? You may proceed.
Come on, Ozzy. Let's go. There you are, Henry. And you must be Vicky.
Hello, Joe.
I have deliveries for you.
Good. We're going to do a football training session with the GAA All-Stars. But first, let's go to the gym.
I love football. Oh. My hat!
Yay! Come on, Joe. We're going to do a beep test.
Oh, I love a beep test. What's a beep test?
Well, we're waiting on some cones. We need them for the beep test.
Cones? My first delivery! Wait here! Cones.
No! We need cones to put on the ground to run around.
Ah. Here. Cones.
Yes. Let's get started. You could go. You put one here? Good job. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go!
Oh.
Keep going.
Oh. Ah, thank you, Henry.
Are you okay, Joe?
Yes, I'm very thirsty.
Let's love sign. Thirsty. Thirsty. You sign. Thirsty. Good. Thirsty.
Joe, while we're waiting for everyone else, let's practice our kicks.
Yes. Hey, this ball is soft.
We need a pump.
No, we don't. I'll fix it.
No!
Oh, we do need a pump.
Yes!
Wait Here! Oh! Ha-ha! A pump!
Go, Joe! Go, Joe!
Ah.
Good job. Okay, Joe, it's time for training.
Hello, everyone! Come on!
Hello, everyone. Are you ready for training?
Yeah!
Joe, I think we need some bibs.
Bibs?
Bibs.
Oh, Bibs! My car delivery! Wait here! Oh! Ah! Bibs!
They're baby bibs.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Oh. Let's play ball.
Ready? Ready?
Joe's bad and gone. Nah, that's best.
Look!
Right. You're all right.
Make sure to drink plenty of water after all that exercise.
Let's love sign. Water. Water. You sign. Water. Good. Water.
Henry, we need more water, please.
Hi! What can I do for you, Henry?
More water.
More water?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Hello.
Ah, thank you. Hey, this is empty.
Hi.
Hi, Henry. What would you need?
More water.
More water?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Are you having fun outside?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go, right to the top. Here's a little surprise for you for all your work. Strawberries. Oh my goodness, you're gonna smell like a strawberry. Bye. Yes, strawberries.
Ah, thank you. Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Bye.